You slept 8 hours last night. So why are you still exhausted? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not just getting older. There's usually a specific reason your body is running low on energy. And most of them are fixable. Today I'm covering the 7 most common reasons you're always tired after 60, and exactly what to do about each one. Hey, I'm Robert. Welcome back to Wellness After 60, where we cut through the noise and give you health information that actually matters. Quick reminder, I'm not a doctor, and nothing here is medical advice. Always talk to your physician before making changes to your diet or routine. But the information I'm sharing today comes from trusted sources, including the National Institute on Aging and the National Institutes of Health. Now, let's get into it and explore the first reason for your fatigue. Number 1. Your deep sleep is disappearing. As we age, we spend less time in slow-wave sleep, the deep restorative stage where your body repairs tissue, consolidates memory, and recharges your energy. The National Institute on Aging confirms that sleep architecture changes significantly after 60. Older adults wake more frequently, fall back asleep more slowly, and get less deep sleep overall. This means you can spend 8 hours in bed and still wake up exhausted. The fix? Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Same bedtime, same wake time, even on weekends. Avoid screens for 1 hour before bed. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. Number 2. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy production and red blood cell formation. And after 60, your body absorbs it less efficiently because the stomach produces less acid needed to extract B12 from food. The National Institutes of Health estimates that up to 20% of older adults may have low or borderline B12 levels. Symptoms include fatigue, weakness, brain fog, and tingling in the hands and feet. The fix? Ask your doctor to check your B12 levels. Food sources include fish, meat, eggs, and dairy. Many doctors recommend a B12 supplement for adults over 60. Number 3. Vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D does far more than support bone health. It plays a direct role in energy metabolism and muscle function. Research published in the journal Nutrients found that low vitamin D levels are strongly associated with fatigue and muscle weakness in older adults. After 60, your skin produces vitamin D from sunlight less efficiently, and most Americans don't get enough through diet alone. The fix? Ask your doctor to test your vitamin D level. The NIH recommends 600 to 800 IU daily for adults over 60, though many doctors recommend higher amounts based on blood levels. Number 4. Chronic dehydration. Most people don't realize that as we age, our sense of thirst becomes less reliable. You can be significantly dehydrated and not feel thirsty at all. Even mild dehydration, as little as 1 to 2% of body weight, has been shown to cause fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and reduced physical performance. The fix? Don't wait until you're thirsty. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. Start your morning with a full glass of water before coffee. Number 5. Underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism. Your thyroid gland controls your metabolism. When it slows down, a condition called hypothyroidism, everything slows down with it, including your energy levels. The American Thyroid Association reports that hypothyroidism affects approximately 5% of Americans over 60 and is significantly more common in women. Symptoms include persistent fatigue, weight gain, cold sensitivity, and brain fog. The fix? A simple blood test called TSH can check your thyroid function. This is one of the most treatable causes of fatigue. With medication, most people feel significantly better. Number 6. Medication side effects. Many of the most commonly prescribed medications for seniors list fatigue as a side effect, including blood pressure medications, antihistamines, sleep aids, and certain antidepressants. If your fatigue started around the same time as a new medication, or got worse after a dosage increase, that connection is worth discussing with your doctor. The fix? Never stop a medication on your own, but bring it up. Your doctor may be able to adjust the dose, switch medications, or change the timing of when you take it. Number 7. Blood sugar instability. You don't have to be diabetic to experience energy-draining blood sugar swings. After 60, insulin sensitivity naturally declines. A high carbohydrate meal, especially refined carbs and sugar, causes a rapid spike in blood sugar followed by a crash that leaves you feeling drained and foggy. The fix? Focus on balanced meals. Lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich vegetables. Avoid eating large amounts of refined carbs or sugar on their own. A small protein-rich snack between meals can help stabilize energy levels throughout the day. Here's the bigger picture for everything we've discussed today. Fatigue after 60 is common, but it is not inevitable. If you've been accepting exhaustion as just part of aging, I want you to reconsider that. Because in most cases, there's a reason. And where there's a reason, there's usually a solution. Start with your doctor. Get your B12, vitamin D, and thyroid levels checked. Look at your sleep, your hydration, and your medications. Small changes, real results. If this video was helpful, please share it with someone you care about. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is a great time. We cover this kind of information every week. I'll see you in the next one.